Most toddlers eat less than parents think they need, but more sugar than they should have in a week, in just one day. The truth about toddler nutrition will surprise you and might completely change how you approach feeding your 1 to 3-year-old. And toddler nutrition is one of the most confusing aspects of parenting. Today, you'll learn what toddlers actually need nutritionally, how much food is really enough, and practical strategies for ensuring healthy eating habits without battles. Realistic portion sizes for toddlers. Toddler stomachs are much smaller than parents realize. A toddler's stomach is about the size of their closed fist, roughly 1 cup capacity. Appropriate serving sizes. 1 to 2 tablespoons of each food group per year of age. Daily totals: 2 to 3 servings dairy, 2 servings protein, 2 to 3 servings vegetables, 2 to 3 servings fruits, 3 to 4 servings grains. Most parents overestimate how much toddlers need to eat. A few bites of each food group can meet daily requirements. Toddlers' appetites naturally fluctuate based on growth patterns. Some days they eat more, some days less. Focus on what they eat over a week, not individual meals. Essential nutrients for toddler development, 90 to 150 seconds. Prioritize these key nutrients. Iron, supports brain development and prevents anemia. Sources include lean meats, fortified cereals, beans, and spinach. Calcium and vitamin D, essential for bone development. Dairy products, fortified non-dairy milks, and moderate sun exposure. Healthy fats, critical for brain development. Avocados, nut butters, if no allergies, olive oil, and fatty fish. Fiber, supports digestive health. Whole grains, fruits with skin, and vegetables. Protein, needed for growth and development. Variety is important. Meats, eggs, dairy, beans, and nuts. Limit added sugars, which should be less than 25 grams, 6 teaspoons, per day for toddlers. Trust that healthy children will eat what they need when offered appropriate options without pressure. Toddler feeding can be so stressful. What nutrition strategies have worked best for your picky eater? Share your successful meal ideas in the comments to help other parents. Like this video if it eased your feeding worries, and subscribe for more practical nutrition guidance.